Jah deliver the people over hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you. Errol, over. Errol, warm no, Errol. Everything good. So, Errol, what happened last night? You know, say they had it tough, but all of a sudden you just disappear. Yo, you know what's if you tell the honest truth? Yo, they had it mad still, but yo, Mr. Piece of diarrhea hold me. Diarrhea? Big man like you have diarrhea? How you feel have diarrhea and Errol miss you with 3 cups of soup and 4 bags food? No, Errol, diarrhea. Anyway, Errol, I look sugar me a beg still, and I look sugar. Oh, okay, Anyways, let me get me 10 grand. What you owe me from last week? God, man, you still remember $10,000, Errol? Oh, of course, yes. Errol, please, don't let me fool you. Errol, you know, say ungrateful. You, I call me ungrateful? Yes, Errol, you're ungrateful, Errol, yes. You're ungrateful. You know what? Come out of me yard. Errol, come out of me yard. Go away. I can't be ungrateful. Errol, don't let me go and kill you.